ba? We will try this durian. Pero namasta na talaga niya.
Yes, yes.
Bigyan na siton. Ew! Iba man. Pero namata na. Ang baho.
What happened?
This is what I don't like in Wmart. This is meant.
Yan pala yun. First time kong makakita ng durian sa personal, sa totoong buhay. Namata naman.
Kama? What did they say?
Kama na guys.
Hard.
Oh, she said it.
It's very.
That's a durian.
But it is.
Nahin kurot guys.
Namasta na.
What I mean, yeah.
At least that.
Pero baka to, hindi natatanggal sa kamay agad-agad. Para siyang sira. Dapat ano ba? Anong lasa dyan nila?
Hindi ko nga maano kung ano ang lasa niya.
Dapat to!
Try this one, oh.
Parang hindi ko kaya.
Dahil buksin out!
Ang baho, girl! Ang baho.
Mia,
Yarap, tara, yarap dyan nila.
Trinay ko na nga.
It's okay. Strange.
Para siyang creamy.
Para siyang amoy utot.
Parang nag-leak yung ano, gas.
Amoy
Parang
utot.
lusagas.
Amoy utot.
Buy Wmart. It's really fine.
Ay, pero parang ano, baho talaga.
Product of Thailand.
Alam mo yung gusto mong itry, pero ang baho. Ay,
Madali yung creamy and... But I don't know. Mami, ikaw nga. Try mo nga. Dali na. Paano ka maano? Nakalamit ka na ngayong durian? Para alam mo na ang lasa. O, dali.
First time ko makakita,
Cover your
first time
nose.
makaamoy, as in first time. Pero parang di ko kaya itry.
Kaya try mo na.
Ano, Mick?
Yeah, don't.
I don't like.
Bakit ba? Ano ba to?
So, normal yan.
It's okay.
Oh, really?
I think it's only you. It's only me and Ba can take it. And Abdallah also.
No,
It's
Abdallah
sweet.
didn't like it.
It's Abdallah also didn't like.
It's okay, I did. Oh, you want to drink this one?
Kuya ba na yan?
But also Dodong doesn't.
Janela, sira na siguro yan.
Hindi, yan talaga siya. Gamitan mo nga.
Really?
Ba, sira na ata to.
No. Jules is asking if Guyabano and Durian, if they're the same. No, Jules, it's different.
Janela, please, sira na yan.
Para siyang ano?
Hindi siya sira. Ganito talaga.
Dali ba?
Para siyang
Eat.
Yeah.
tuna sandwich ba? With onion?
Yeah. Ha.
Oh, di ba? Go ba?
It's okay.
Tuna sandwich.
Yes!
Kuya ba, ano?
No, it's okay.
Eh!
Wow, what?
No, it's
what
fine.
fruit are
Nakailan na si
Oy
Ba.
ba, smiling ka lang naman. Smiling but the reality?
Tuna sandwich with onion.
Not good, my friend. Faking to si Janela.
It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, same yan, but it's okay. Hindi kayo masyadong adventurous.
But the first time ko to, last na din ba?
Kalas? No more? Not
Ito na
again?
lang.
Ano yan?
Guys.
Ano na naman yan, Janela?
With truffle.
Oh, this is okay. Yeah, the truffle.
This one is good.
Pero grabe, ang baho
you
pala
ate
niya.
sweets, oh. So good.
Pero grabe ba?
Yeah, it's not like yummy. But it's
Diba
fine.
it's okay?
Sa candy, okay siya. Iba.
Parang masisira.
Di talaga. Sa true.
But in a restaurant, I'm not ordering. Listen,
Yeah.
I'm not.
Yeah, you will not order. Diyos ko po, Rudy.
It's fine.
Ewan ko sa inyo, basta hindi ko
Okay,
na
we're
itatry.
done. We're gonna put it back here.
Ibabak na niya kasi di ba?
Hindi, no, so others can try too.
Of course.
Okay, matalo na. Bye-bye!